Okay, guys, I'm going to talk about one of the scams of China stocks, which is stock CLEU, CLEU. I've heard a lot of people saying this was promoted into a WhatsApp group, and a lot of people lost tons of money as this was in the $6 range, and it's now trading at less than 20 cents. So I told you guys exactly in the previous video, it was a buy, right when the bell ended, and you would have made over 60%. But let me go over the chart here. As right here, as you can see, when the bell ended, this is where sellers cooled down. A lot of people would buy this all throughout the day, but we know that price is going to come back to this EMA 20. We know that's for sure, and I would have definitely taken this gain right up in here as it pumped 30%. But it actually ended up pumping over 69% from this low to here. Everyone had a chance to gain money. I was noted that in the last video. Anytime I see a stock that goes down, yeah, this is extremely, scammy. If anybody that promoted this stock way up in here, one, they did no due diligence, that this stock always does this. This stock has been literally known to do this. Look at, if anyone just took the chance to just look at the prior history of CLEU, it goes up and it goes way up here to lure in retail traders, right? Because we know if a stock starts pumping, it goes on scanners. Lots of people looking at it. They see CLEU, it's going up 39%, 40%, 58%. So then they're like, okay, this thing is in a beast mode. It's gonna just keep going. And so they dump it on. We know this is gonna happen. We've seen this many and many times with CLEU. What happened? Look at this big freaking thing. We went from with all the reverse splits here, $130 to 600. Look at it, just constantly up trading. But always happens is we get one big, massive candle, and it just downtrends instantly. Okay, so you'll see this all the time with CLEU. Boom, down. Every pump is shorted. Boom, down. So I mean, look at this massive thing right here. But if you might ask, what are these bands? Anytime price gets above this upper Keltner channel, it's unsustainable. CLEU cannot be it's imbalanced, and price reverts back to the reversion of the mean, which is my EMAs. So I just want to talk about this thing. I didn't really see any news the last time I looked into what is causing the drop, but it's definitely manipulation. And here's the scary part: this is a Chinese stock. They don't have to abide by a lot of things. They do their own little thing, and that's why I when I made that video yesterday, this is how you trade these big down, these big drop stocks. If you see a stock that goes down this much, and you start, let's just say the stock goes down all the way to here and then here, you do not buy this stock to the end of the day for best results, because a lot of the times, every time I see this, right near when the bell ends, you start to see the algos cool off, right? You start to see it cool off. So right here, the bell ends, and then are we surprised it starts going up? Boom, boom, boom. And when no price is going to hit the EMA 20, and so that does it on a shorter time frame. Price actually goes all the way up to a 30-minute time frame, almost, hitting this EMA 20 almost. I mean, it was absolutely amazing, right? So price is going to revert back to the mean, but using a daily chart, we're not going to hit this EMA 5 for a very long time. And I showed this before. You're not going to see this, but you're down 98%. For the people who got this at $6, and a lot of people said they got promoted on a WhatsApp group by a lot of, reputable sources, that this is a high quality stock to buy, which blows my mind. I just look at profile, I can see China stock, and I'm like, okay, that's all I need to know. I mean, look at literally spend like 2 minutes of your time looking at the chart, and you'll see every pump is dumb. I mean, this is literally the best pump and dump stock you'll ever see. And all these stock, every time it goes like crazy down, you'll always you usually get a dead cat bounce. But make sure you have a stop loss, of course. I traded this one on my own account here, and I'd be like, I literally just took this nice fast gain. I didn't need anything horrendous. I mean, I'm not going to say I caught the top here, but I took my 10 to 20% gains, and it had plenty of room to profits. We went from 13 cents to 23 cents. So, but yeah, let's just show you. I'll show you guys if you guys want to get back up to $6, you're looking at a 5,375% gain. Back up to $7, you're looking at $8, you're looking at a 7,000% gain. It's not. there's literally like a really hard chance of that ever happening. So this was the last dump happened. You see, it never got anywhere close to here. It went down, but as you can see, we started having our little spikes here. Once price gets really oversold, you see price movements up. I like this one because it was such a big drop down. And like I said, look at your EMA 20 on the 15-minute chart. You can clearly see price will have to revert at least to this EMA 10 to make you a solid 10% and then scale some out right in here. I would never hold this one long. I don't really see anything. I think this is really sketchy. Nothing happening, nothing showing. And the problem with this is a lot of retail traders they want to they listen to a lot of people, and they don't understand is like you know investing into a stock like this is absolutely terrible. If the chart doesn't, this is literally just a get in get out of stock. This is literally the definition of Chinese scam. Any stock that does this is insane, right? And I'm surprised that it's listed. What is this? It's listed on the Nasdaq here, right? I'm surprised they allow that. This should be definitely delisted every time it's done this. Look at it's done this many times, right? This isn't the first time. It's done it like 6 times already. And they did a reverse split, 1 for 15. So what they're going to do is they're going to do the same process again, right? They dump it, hype people up, pump it up. Maybe a long time from now, it's going to take a while. And just literally just keep making bank, dilute it, dump, reverse split, same thing, issue more shares, and some retail trader will buy it. When they see this thing start moving, I know a lot of people will be like, "Oh wow, I guarantee you on this dead cat bounce, some people were trying to buy this." If they start seeing it go up, and they're like, "Oh wow, it's $8 now, it's 22. It's starting to pump. I'm going to get in now," and that's really what gets retail traders to really get in on the tops. But yeah, I just want you guys to be aware of this kind of stuff. I see this all the time. Back in the day, I would have um, looked at this differently, but now that I've seen this happen so many times, China stocks and biotech, those are the two riskiest stocks. They can do these big gaps down. China stocks, I just honestly just stay away from them if you don't really know what you're doing, and stick to other companies. But yeah, let me know if you guys lost money. Let me know, you know, what the heck happened here. I obviously, like I said, some people were promoting this in a WhatsApp group, and I think they were really trying to scam a lot of people in here. So it definitely is kind of worrisome. But if you guys want to see my actual alerts, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts if you want to get access to my swing trades and day trades for $12 a month. It's not going to cost you anything more. And a lot of the stuff is I post these on my videos, and I'll say, I'm watching this stock here and here, such and so. And I'll try to find the best company to alert to you guys. Like, for example, I alerted DATS. I'm looking more into the weekly chart. If you guys been being updated on my strategy, and that's the good thing is if you're a current member, your price will never go up, and I'm going to give you guys future updates because we have to do what the market goes in real time, right? The market's ever changing, so I always constantly this works here, so I'm just going to just keep reevaluating stuff, right? Day trade alerts, you're going to love the day trade alerts. Just make sure you watch the day trading education videos. You're going to have access to all that, and I think you're going to love that, so you can make money every day. It's a strategy that doesn't matter bull or bear, we make money in the day trade section. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis on CLEU. Try to stay away from these kind of stocks. I told you guys right here a video before that, wait till the end of the day to buy. You see that the 15-minute hasn't touched this EMA 20 in a very long time. Price will come back up to it, and that's really what we have to. At the very least, you can make an easy 20% to this EMA 10. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the Discord if you want to join. Peace out and happy trading.